What's up guys, I'm Sanjay, you guys watching Tech is World. But today we are going to see the how to make the phone calls for worldwide. So let's get into the video. Go to your favorite browser and type free phone call. There are a lot of websites available for making the free phone calls. So today I'll tell about two websites which have worked to me. So number one, Globe Phone, and other one is Friend to Phone. The Globe Phone will give the free services and it will give the demo. Just demo. You can make phone calls 5 minutes every day. It will work after 24 hours. After completion of your 5 minutes, you need to pay some money. It will be depending upon the country. So follow the things as I'm doing. First, choose your country and type your mobile number. So the website's links will be in the description. Check there. So I'm typing my mobile number and I'm choosing India. So let's check it will work or not. I'll show you. So allow the mic. So guys, I'm showing my phone. The call is coming, incoming call. So it is working. So this video is completely true. I'm not making any fake video. If you guys have doubt, just check it. And other website is Call to Friend. This website also work as like Globe Call. You need to choose the country and you need to give the mobile number and click on call. But this website will take 30 seconds for make phone call. So there are a lot of websites out there. If you guys have time, just check it and comment below the working websites. So thanks for watching guys. This is your Sanjay signing off. Bye bye now. And please try to subscribe my channel.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.